In primetime news this evening, credit cards, motor vehicles assigned to Ruel Reid and the CMU. Education Minister grilled this afternoon in Parliament. Opposition demands answers after a report from the Auditor General's Department expected to be tabled was not presented. 35 dengue deaths over 2 years, but Minister says there's no outbreak.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. And Herman, we have an update to our headline story because just a while ago, the performance audit of the Ministry of Education was tabled in Parliament, and that is the Auditor General's performance audit of the operations at the Ministry of Education. So we have that story as well as business news, and Milton Walker has our preview. Milton?
Yes, Janella, a significant amount of cash pumped into the local economy in Montego Bay during Reggae Sumfest last week.
Sumfest bringing in the cash. From Milton, we go to Spencer with a preview of sports.
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, discussions are still going on following the failure of the under-23 Reggae boys to advance to the next phase of Olympic qualification. Well, a decision will be made on the future of the coach after the upcoming Pan Am Games. We'll give you more details later.
Oh my. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, are you satisfied that enough is being done to protect the cockpit country from mining activities?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.